I saw this post about missing LinkedIn messages and thought I could build something to help organize messages better. So I decided to learn by doing. Here's what I built for my first AI agent. When a LinkedIn message comes in, my innate workflow starts. I used Unipile API to collect LinkedIn messages. Then it will go and filter. Then there's a AI agent with Gemini, and it will prioritize the message and will provide three sample of responses in three different tones. Then it will store on a database. In mobile application, I can see organized message on my phone. I can pick a suggestion, send it, and it auto cleans up. It's not perfect yet, but it helps stay organized. Drop a comment with your automation idea. I'll love to help you guys to get started.